Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Varcade Games and this is season 2, air fryer cooking. It's been a while, so today we're going to come back with something different. Tyson All Natural Premium Cornish Hen Challenge. Alright, I got the package open. Here's my bird. I'm going to melt some butter, some garlic and onion powder, and we're going to inject it using this turkey injector, so stay tuned. Alright, my cameraman has the butter in the microwave. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. It's making noises. So, alright, we're good. We're good. It didn't blow up. I have a little olive oil. I'm going to baste the Cornish hen with a little bit of oil. And hey, camera guy, can you hand me the... Is it melted? How's it look? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Alright, we're going to inject some flavor into this bird. I'm excited. Is it in? Oh, it's squirting everywhere. Oh. Did I get butter on the ceiling? I think I got butter on my ceiling. I think I did. Alright, now we get this thing getting butter everywhere. Is it needle in? Man, this thing's hard to get in. Okay. Alright. There we go. It's in. Now, there's a cap on it. Why is it so hard to get this cap? I got the butter off. Oops. Anyway, there, I think, okay, I got a little butter on me. Okay, anyway, this, see? Oh, crap. The plastic thing fell in the, okay. Alright, anyway, folks. Anyway, I'm in, what? Mom's, cut. Alright, now that I have the needle on, we're going to inject this bird with, there we go, look at it. Ooh, look at that. Put a little bit right in here. Let's move stuff out of the way. There we go, you can zoom in. You can zoom in, look. Ooh, like a Pulp Fiction. Right there. Oh, wait, no. There we go, there, oh, there we go. Get in there. There we go. And then, how about some right here? Ooh, yeah, look, flavor injection. And, why not right there? That looks good. There we go. So, half of it's in the bird, half of it's on my face. Other than that, this should be good. I'm excited. I never did this before. It fits. Check it out. It fits. I'm going to give it a solid hour on 375. While this is cooking, enjoy a Varcade Quickie.
Are you ready for a cloud challenge?
I'll show you how it's done.
I'm going easy on you, kid. I'm going for nothing on that one. Ha 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 ha. Your turn. What were you going for? Ha ha. Oh, almost got some lamb chops. Ha ha ha. Oh, you got the angry bird. Good job. High five. Yeah.
Well, it's always a fun time at the claw machine, but let's check on this bird. Well, it looks pretty good for about 20 minutes. Let's stick it back in and enjoy another Varcade Quickie.
Hey, Claudio.
Yeah?
I'm going to show you how it's
Are you gonna
done.
do claw machine challenge? Okay. Okay, you got this, you got this. Huh? Yeah? Oh, yeah, right on, you got the monkey. High five. Bye.
Well, we're back, and my kids and their crazy, wild imaginations. I don't know. But this bird should be done if it's at 160 on the thermometer. Do you want to get a close up? Everyone sees this is a thermometer you should always have to read the temperature of your meat. And we want chicken to be at like 160. So let's I don't need those. Let's check. You paying attention, cameraman? Look, perfect timing. Perfect timing. It's sizzling. It's golden brown. And it's going up 140, 150, slowly making its way up to 160. That's beautiful. That's what we want, folks. Here's the real test. Let's cut her open. You ready to get this on close-up, camera guy? I want to see if this is edible or not. If I could get a nice piece cut here. You can tell I'm not a chef, but I do play one on YouTube. Oh yeah, that's good. Hey everybody, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.
There's a little bird that somebody sent.